What were you trying to say? Oh.
Yes.
Worship, item number 4, Worship.
Yes.
Worship, here, I mean, you receive instructions, so can you grant me 2 weeks time?
Who is for a petitioner? Mr.
I'm sending on behalf of Mr. Dishwasher.
Your name, please.
Donato.
So and so Planet Council appearing on behalf of Mr.
Dishwasher.
Planet Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Angami.
Yeah, I'm gonna-
K. Angami. Learned government advocate. Senior government advocate. Has prayed for and is granted further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. To stop release the case accordingly after 3 weeks. To stop by interim order past and yes, continue.
Worship, Worship. Worship, then item number 1, on behalf of Mr. Leto Jimo, Worship. Can you grant 2 weeks time to file counter?
Jimomi,
Jimo means.
petitioner. Present. Mr. Gangam. Senior government advocate appearing for Mr. B. Jimomi, learned government advocate, has sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. This is the case after 2 weeks on it. There is no representation on behalf of the petition.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship.
yes.
If 3 weeks may be granted, I have received the instructions, Lordship.
You have received
Lordship,
instructions.
Lordship. With 3 weeks time may be granted to file a counter, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have an objection. On the last order, in the last order, Your Lordship, the council was directed to come with instruction whether the petitioner is entitled as per OM.
Instructions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Instructions received.
So they were asked to come whether the petitioner cases have been taken up for consideration, my lord.
Whether petitions have- Yes, any instruction?
Lordship. So if 3 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship.
You have the instructions,
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
you or not?
I forgot my file, Lordship. My apology, Lordship.
So what to do now? Brief is not with her. Okay, we'll fix a date.
Your Lordship, let it come on Tuesday.
Usually list is out, long list. Some days MS. Archula gives.
Yes, Lordship.
Archula keeps learned counsel for the petitioners is present. So from learned government has submitted that she has received the instructions in reference to the order dated 27 to 2024. Instructions have been received, huh? In reference to the order dated 27 to 2024. And it's up for listing of the case. Someday in the next week, second of 2nd of April,
Lordship.
2024 to enable her to place the instructions. To list the case according to 4.
Much obliged, my Lordship. Mr. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3 on behalf of my senior more junior. Lordship, we have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent. Kindly grant us 2 weeks time to file our reply.
2 weeks time.
Mr. Lordship.
MS
Shisa Jamir.
Jamir. Isa.
Shisa Jamir.
Sisa. C. Jamir. Counsel for the petition has wait for 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time
Yes, Lordship.
to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 1 to 3. Post of MS so and so A. Angami, Learned Senior Member for the state respondents is in attendance. This is the case. The praise allowed. This is the case after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2
2.
is my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, here I have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent, so kindly grant 2 weeks to file affidavit in reply to the position filed by the state respondents.
MS
Mr. Crisinio.
Kekrisinio,
Yes, my Lord.
Learned Counsel for the petition. As paid for and is granted 2 weeks time,
2 weeks, my Lord.
3 weeks time
Yes, my Lord.
to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 1 to 7 and 9. This is after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my Lord.
For withdrawal, item number 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I have received instruction to withdraw this petition.
This is finished. MS
Vico notice on behalf of our implementation.
equal to song on behalf of Mr. Intilongchar.
Yes, Lordship.
I Intilongchar has submitted that instruction has been received with to do the repetition.
Yes, Lordship.
So, Mr. You are for private respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship. Private respondents.
Your name is not appearing.
Ong Hok Pong Anda.
Name is not appearing. MS Sisong and has Sisong Ramesh Bukit for the state respondents and Mr. Tom Ponjena, learning counsel for the private single one or many
Many, Your Lordship. Up to 25.
private respondents.
Yes, private respondents.
I attendance are present. Post of in view of the above submission made by so and so learned counsel for the petitioner, for a petitioner. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal. Post of the copy of the letter of withdrawal written by the petitioner to the learned counsel appearing for her. Come on, place back MS so and so is kept with the yes.
Your Lordship, there's an interim. The interim maybe. Interim dated 25/8/2022.
The interim order, if any, stands recalled.
Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 7.
My lord, the RD, the Supreme Court has directed the state council to do service report, service book for change of name.
Change of name.
This is only in respect of pension. All other, he was register Taylor.
How did the name change happen?
When the petitioner was appointed, Lordship, his name was Saniso Angami Lordship. Then by way of an affidavit, he changed his name to M. Brimani Singh Lordship. Lordship, the last occasion I was asked to use the screen copy Lordship for the service book.
Name change. What procedure he has followed?
Well, there is no bar for changing of name,
Absolutely not.
no bar.
But there is a procedure.
Before a magistrate. What happened was,
That is not sufficient. That is not sufficient. Have you gone through the procedure? There is no bar.
No.
Absolutely no bar.
as per,
But there has to be a minimum procedure. You have to let the world know.
I have.
Okay. Let us see.
The government has laid down a policy that employee wishing to change name can change.
There is absolutely no bar.
No bar. Particularly all close one, all cases of petition / relation change in name friendly. But a government employee wishing of a new name.
That is clause 2. That is clause 1, 2.
Correct.
Did you do it?
I don't have
Because there is a procedure. You have to publish it in 2 newspapers. And plus in the official gazette. That I know. No bar, but you have to follow the minimum procedure. You have to let the world know that I have changed my name to. Otherwise, somebody changing name only on paper within the confine of the room, that will not be sufficient. You have to let the world know that I have changed my name from this to this. From this day onward, I'll be so and so. So everybody at their risk and peril. And it is to be gazetted.
that. I understand. This,
Whoever may be.
the story is very interesting. In fact,
Story we are not very interested to know. If you can, whatever, though you have made it, this is not the way. Otherwise, this can be affected only after gazette publication. How to do it now? Because
only now, only after retirement.
whatever.
If he joined service in 1994. 1994 as tailor in the police department. Then in 2000, because while in service, he sworn actual name, Viramanisi of Silchar. Now, after that, that was accepted by the authority. And then the entire service book had been corrected as Viramanisi. Thereafter, the whole service career had completed with the name Viramanisi, and all the official correspondence also have been corresponded with the name Viramanisi. Now, after that, since there was no objection from the government, no objection from the PhD,
Mr. Joe, I try your luck. Come on. Because I know. this topic. This is a minimum. If these minimum formalities are not followed, then there is effectively in law, there is no change. This is my view. So, but
if
I have given indication.
No.
I have given indication.
if as per the affidavit of government, there are no objection.
But you are before a court of law. Whether government accepts or not accepts, that is not material for this court.
Correct.
We have to find out whether you have correctly done it or not. But prima facie, you did not. You keep it for production on the next day. Because you have changed, otherwise it appears you would not have been eligible for appointment itself.
Eligible.
Because you are not indigenous.
No, that
I am not going into that. You have worked, you have retired, so that is a different aspect. But thing is that you got your appointment with Angami name, changed to Vishnupriya Manipuri, Hindu by the name, change without following the procedure, required procedure. So if the government accepts it, try. Heard Mr. Ajo, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. C. Chan and Chan, learned government advocate. Those two. It is submitted by Ms. Form. Learned government advocate that place the scanned copy of the service book of the petitioner on or list of that is on first of it or third of it. Third of it. Third of it. When is oh sorry, it will be division next. Fourth of April. You have difficulty.
if you're good for that, I will be out of 6 reports.
If you're convenient there. Because first of April we have fixed the series.
8, my lord.
8 of it. Place the case accordingly on 8 of it.
Worship, the item number 6 withdrawal. We updated on
Okay,
the fresh.
okay, with the liberty. With the liberty to approach again in the event of subsequent cause of action. After the liberty aspect.
For hearing item numbers 8 to 12.
Yes, Mr. Angami, you have business in other court, you say 30 minutes.
One, Kevin.
Okay. What we can do, we'll narrate the facts. Dictate that if Mr. Angami is unavailable after 30 minutes, we'll keep it part Monday. We'll do the rest of the thing.
What should next I have difficulty? Again, I learned a friend, senior friend, time again.
You are typically today also.
Also because of the actually partnered.
This court has also difficulty after 12 o'clock. If otherwise, if Monday, we can keep it by right or whatever is dictated. You can make the submission then. Not be possible. That Mr. Joe, let us go. At your request, we have kept. Choose a date then. Will not be next week. It will not be a next week. Agree, you agree to a date then.
For me, today, tomorrow,
Tomorrow is holiday.
urgency is involved here, suspension.
Uh,
But my brother is in express difficulty, that's why I asked.
Leave 1st of April, any other day. It of April. Mr. Ejo, Planet, Council Court of Petitions, and Mr. Kirangami, Planet, Senior Government Advocate, have conjointly submitted that the cases be listed on 8th of April, 2000. Is the cases according on 8th of April. I thought that 1.5 hour is available. Okay then.
One zero.